Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now today we will talk about Industrial Revolution 4.0. The World Forum has chosen Hyderabad to establish its center for the fourth industrial revolutions focused of healthcare and life science. C4IR Telangana will be the eighth center to join WEF fourth industrial revolution network that spans for contents. The first industrial revolution used water and steam power to machines of productions. The second used electric power to create mass productions. The third used electronic and information technology to automate production. About Industrial Revolution 4.0. The term Industry 4.0 was coined by the German government in 2011. Industry 4.0 refers to a new phase in the industrial revolutions that focus heavily in interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and the real time data. Industry 4.0, which encompasses IoTs and smart manufacturing, marries physical productions to operation with smart digital technology, machine learning, and big data. Industry 4.0 comes into play with when every company and organization operation today is different. They all face a common challenges: the need for connectedness and access to real-time insights across processes, partners, products, and people. Industry 4.0 technologies. Significations of Industrial Revolution 4.0. It has the potential of raise global incomes levels and improve the quality of life for populations around the world. It will also lead to supply side miracle with long-term gains in efficiency and productivity. Transportation and communication cost will drop, logistics and global supply chains will become more effective, and the cost of trade will dismiss, all of which will open new markets and drive economic growth. Government will gain new technological power to increase their control over population based of pervasive civilizations systems and the ability to control digital infrastructures. Advance in technology will create the potential of reduce the scales of impact of violence through the development of new modes of protections. For example, greater precision of targeting. Challenges of IR 4.0. The immediate fear is that of job loss, particularly in informal sector. It could yield greater inequality, particularly in its potential of disrupt labor markets. Besides all this, there are several other critical concerns surrounding safety, ethics, and the short and long-term socio-economic impact the remain unanswered. There is a growing concern that the existing fallacies in humans might only get more accentuated after 4IR. There are several studies that show how facial recognitions technologies have a higher chance of misidentify African and Asian peoples compared to their Western counterparts. It is also going to be skewed as developing and least developed countries lack the data framework and infrastructures. It will also profoundly impact the natures of national and international security, affecting both the probability and the natures of the conflict. This is lead to new firsts on one of the greatest individual challenges posed by new information technologies is privacy. Need for India to adopt IR 4.0. Advanced data analysis will help its manufacturing capacity in increase the quality of products. Digitizations of numerous manufacturing process will lead to cost reduction with an improved experience for consumers. The implements of automation will reduce manufacturing cycles, decrease cycle time, and will reduce wasteful use of capital. IoT and man machine connectivity will help supply chains to decrease lead time. Status in India. India is moving towards becoming a hub of global manufacturing. 3D printing, machine learning, data analytics, and IoT are key to promoting industrial growth. In November 2020, the modern coach factory at Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh rolled out smart railway coaches that are fitted with a battery to sensor to provide a comfortable experience to passengers. In May 2020, the Union Ministry of Heavy Industries launched the Smart Advanced Manufacturing and Rapid Transformations Hub schemes, which bring together manufacturers, vendors, and customers to make them aware of 4IR technologies. In 2022 budget speech, the union's finance ministers announced a slew of new 4IR driven projects including Drone Sakti to encourage startups that will facilitate and use of drone services. India even has a 4IR center in Mumbai run by WEF, which is closely working with several state governments. The center of recently come up with the fourth industrial revolutions of sustainable transformations cancer care model, in which one IR technologies would be used to provide better health care for cancer patients. In February 2022, government launched the Pan India 3D Maps program by Genesis International for the 100 smart cities. The company plans to map an entire city in intricate details so that many 4IR revolutions technology based projects such as driverless car will become easier to implement. Way forward. Industry 4.0 has started to make an influence in manufacturing and other various sector in India. Through certain steps have already been taken, a lot of work needs to be done. Instead to just spending more capital, the emphasis must be on increasing the current asset base. The implement of smart manufacturing, data analytics, and the Internet of Things will give a positive direction of Indian industries. To secure India's active involvement in the fourth industrial revolution, it will be necessary to restructure some vital domestic industries and strengthen them institutional capability. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.